video, we will be looking at the setTimeout and setInterval function in JavaScript. So let's dive into the code. Hello friend, this is CodeCraft where you can learn code fastly and efficiently. I'll be making a simple JavaScript file here. Not here in the asset, I'll be making here. I'll use test.js and maximize this. So now this setTimeout and setInterval function are used to call something after an interval. So if I say setTimeout, and now the setTimeout function, you have to specify the interval. The setTimeout function will be called at once. Only one time it will be called. So now if I give 3000, this is the millisecond, 3000 millisecond, it means the 3 seconds. So now after the 3 seconds, I will simply log the function is ended or something like called. So now if I run this, so here you can see after the 3 seconds the function is called. The body, I mean the code inside the setTimeout function will be called. So the setTimeout function takes 2 arguments. I will show you setTimeout. The first argument will be callback function, which will be called after a specific interval. If I say console log hello, now the second argument of the callback function will be the interval, I mean the time you want to call the callback function after a specific interval. So I will give here, if I give 2000, this means 2 seconds. If I simply run this, so you can see after the 2 seconds it prints hello. I will close this section. I will press Ctrl+Alt+V to open a terminal here, and now I will type node and test.js. So you can see that after 2 seconds the hello will be called. This is the setTimeout function that will be called only one time. So now another is setInterval. This is same as the setTimeout, but it will take it will also take 2 arguments. The first will be callback function. If I simply say console.log hello, the second will be the time, I mean the interval. This function will be called. The specific interval, if I say after the 3 seconds, now the setInterval will be called not at once, but will be called again and again. So if I simply type node test.js, so here after 3 seconds it will print the hello. So you can see the hello. This is how you can use the setInterval function to call a specific code at a specific interval. So I hope this video will help you, and if you like the video, please press the like button and also press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video.